MEATER Plus, long-range wireless. Smart meat thermometer with Bluetooth booster. MEATER Plus is 100% wire-free, allowing you to cook with complete freedom and flexibility. This long-range model features Bluetooth 5, with a range over 1000 ft, 330 m open air, direct line of sight, with walls and obstacles. Like a typical home, the average range is 1,605 trillion, 50 meters. Whether it's for your husband, dad, brother, wife, mother, sister, or a food-loving friend, this versatile kitchen gadget is a must-have. For anyone who likes to be BBQ or is a home chef in the kitchen. You can easily monitor your cooking progress using the free app, which is available for both iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. Achieve perfect results every time with this high-precision thermometer that takes the guesswork out of cooking. All you need is a second smartphone, tablet to bridge the connection to your home Wi-Fi network. The thermometer is relatively expensive. The thermometer requires a smartphone or tablet to use the app. The thermometer may not be suitable for people who prefer a more traditional cooking experience. I hope this helps. Price, $7.16.